Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with your Chicago Business Today Midday Report. The massive expansion of Medicaid upheld by yesterday's landmark Supreme Court ruling could mean an extra $1 billion financial burden on Illinois over 5 years starting in 2014 for a program that's already trying to climb its way out of a $2.7 billion hole. Our Andrew Wong wrote today about the effect the state's insurance coverage for the poor. Andrew, how does yesterday's ruling impact Medicaid in Illinois?
Well, it very well could mean several 100,000 more people on the Medicaid program, which is it's quite a lot. There are already about 2.7 million people in the program right now, so it would add up to, some estimates say 900,000 people into the program by 2020.
You spoke with some experts yesterday on whether this extra spending will be worth it. Some said it will be. Why?
Well, you sort of put it in context. The spending, and first of all, it's an estimate. The $1 billion is an estimate. So the spending over several years has to be compared to what the federal government is going to be spending on these new patients. So percentage-wise, the federal government is supposed to cover 100% of these new patients the first 2 years, and that tapers down to 90%. So if you think about over those 5 years, the federal government is really footing most of the bill for this thing.
There are some states that have said they won't, take the federal funding here. No indication that Illinois will be one of those states, right?
No, Governor Quinn said yesterday pretty clearly that the state is going to participate in the expansion. With some of those other states, I think there may be some degree of political posturing there, although it all depends on sort of the constituency that those governors have to impress, basically, for their reelection. At the end of the day, I think, though, each state has to look at the numbers in terms of how much money they'll be getting from the federal government and how much they're going to have to pay, and make a decision on that basis.
Right. Governor Quinn did say he was thrilled yesterday with this. All right, Andrew. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Danny.